From the pool? Okay.
Tuesday, I said, need to go fucking gym. Wednesday, went to the gym.
Just put music over it, okay?
No.
Yes.
I fucking love that gym. Fucking hate that gym. I hate it because
You can see the fireworks
of the
from here.
people in there, not because the gym itself.
Kids in it.
That's what I'm saying. The times I'd go in there, it was like 8 o'clock at night or something.
No, that's. I mean, it was young for sure, but it wasn't. It was
Oh, dude, the guy was like, he is like a 3-week pass. He's like, check it out, whatever, I don't care.
yeah, they're cheap. What you're working on me, it doesn't matter. Nice suit, babe.
Honestly, I mean,
That's fireworks
I
over
would
there
say,
too.
I mean, we don't work out at night, so that's different, but.
You hear that fireworks too?
Should, I could, I guess.
That's the bug zapper.
It's the bird
That's those
sound.
bugs.
I've never been a night worker out of that. Like, I don't like it. 'Cause I
Well, yeah, if
I'm
you work
so
out at night,
full.
you can't go to sleep for a while.
That's
I
the
can't sleep.
Yeah.
bug zapper drawing.
Trust me, that's why I'm like up till 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I can't. Yes, I have to.
Turn that off.
Hey, steal the toys, homeboy.
That's their shoes.
The bug zapper.
You have to be in bed. What time?
No, I can't.
No, we're talking about working out at night.
The
You
problem
said
is,
you
if
couldn't
I work on nights with stuff and I'm I can't go to bed at 1 o'clock in the morning. I just can't, you know.
Champ.
So sometimes I do it. I don't have the best workout, but it's good to get some workout.
Yeah, no, you're not wrong. The problem is, you were making fun of me for having the thing upstairs, the blanket upstairs, but I was using it all the time at least. I don't have it up there anymore.
I don't get it. You know what?
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock.
In there, I got sweat.
Oh, yoga workout there would be good, yeah, for sure. That's the best.
Hey.
It was like going into
Hot yoga, yeah.
Okay, it's from protein.
How hot is it upstairs?
No, not upstairs. I was in the workout room. In the
Oh, in the garage, yeah.
No.
You want to sit here?
No, it's probably, no, when I say like hot, it's probably it's like 80 degrees. Or 80 degrees, which for me would, I would kill me.
I see them now.
But the kids,
Dude, that's how it was at the rental house we had before you moved here. When the AC started to go, that's how it was.
they want your own.
I
The
don't think they
downstairs
really
were
like
cool enough
water
to upstairs.
as much as cats.
One more.
Look at the red one.
I just said that. Daddy, are you looking at it?
I am, sweetheart.
You need to show it a little bit taller.
We come with the ball now. We got a girl who's
Look at that one. I guess you can use her.
Ooh, ah.
Maybe out there she's higher than both of us.
Ready early. Only if I get up at 6, I'll do it.
The gym?
Yeah, no
Yeah.
excuses.
So the question is, what time do you wake up anyway?
Well, I don't have to work till late, bro. My opening shifts at 9 o'clock, so I get there like 8:30, 8:45, you know? It's not like I get up at 7 o'clock, there's no excuses.
I remember sometimes you'd say you'd like wake up and be on your phone at 5 a.m.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
Anyway. Wow! That was
Sneaky.
trickery!
That was sneaky.
Trickery!
That was sneaky.
You can't see it, you can't see it.
No, you can't see fireworks from here. The walls are too tall.
Yeah, can't see it.
Can you see him, Jackson?
Some I can.
Hey, don't panic. Wherever you're swimming, okay? If you panic, you start. Remember, if you breathe, if you have air in your lungs, you float. So if you were like,
Okay, so I'll go get another one when Andrew drinks this, because I'm not gonna go back.
drink
Back and forth.
Rich. Alright, so
You were right. Back and forth, back and forth. You were right.
Can't take you nowhere.
I got busted with bad words.
Oh, God.
I'm like, Andy, drink
I
this.
thought that was lightning. I thought that.
Breathe, gentle, breathe. You know, like, I can tell you,
That's the actual translation. That's the actual.
they're like swans. They're not swans, you know swans? Swans are big birds. They look like Andy, but gentle like a swan. Like a gentle swan. They float, they have air in their lungs. They float gentle like a swan. This like a swan. And Daddy's not a swan.
I think he's like the
Daddy
Fred
like a swan.
Flintstone bird. He's like a turd.
Like a swan. You see that? Swan. Swan.
Easy.
Easy. Too fast. Why do I cramp my arch my foot? Ow.
You don't
Get
have an
that?
arch, you're flat-footed.
I know it's why I get out cramps there. Look at this. Now I want you to move your hands softly, like you don't want to tread water. So move your hands side to side. Kick your feet a little bit in the water. Gentle. Kick your feet. Now move your hands side to side. Now move your hands. That's called treading water. So tread water like that. A little faster. Kick your feet faster. No, take it down. Yep, down on the ground. That's called treading water like that. So you do that. You kick and you tread water. You breathe in through the nose.
Now
Out
look how many stars are on from the fireworks.
Beautiful. Was this Allie back then too?
Where's Allie?
She went with her friends.
Extra long.
She's like that?
More. Fish.
No, just like, I mean, the girl in general. Like, Love Daddy or like,
Yep. Especially in the pool, because Vanessa, you get in the pool. So. Me and Grandma were the fishes. No.
I want to see the fireworks.
oh, the ropes with us. Yeah, slow down. Yeah, that's 100% grab a towel, sweetie, it's right there. Hey, honey, towel's right there.
Right, Daddy, put it right here.
Olivia, grab a towel. It's right there. You see it? There you go. Oh, God. I slept so good last night. I have no
Jackson, is it
idea.
so
Or not. You got me.
What was that? No, what did you throw in?
margarita?
Okay, so that's that
Throw a
one.
margarita in the water? Oh,
It's Chapito. Took it inside.
thank you, boy.
Oh, yeah. It's gone. It's done. It's
Do
dead.
you see them? Oh, yeah. Look.
By the way, I feel like you guys switched glasses
No.
because mine was not skinny; it was fat.
No, Jason had more ice than you.
He had the skinny drink.
No, but he had more ice than
He
you.
had the skinny cup.
Okay.
When she brings the cup back,
You-
if his is suddenly,
You guys love each other.
Andy, move. I'm going to get
Listen.
goggles, baby.
we're not gonna talk about who gives what to who, my friend.
You guys love each other. That's all that matters.
Yep, we do,
He says
I
that we
can
got
I
the
can tell you,
cholesterol.
ladies are not a very good judge of size
Right.
because you swapped his with mine.
It's okay. I said you guys love each other.
I appreciate it. Oh, I think the last year I-
Meaning mine was girthier than his.
Chloe's probably crispy now.
Jason's also wrong.
Mom,
Supposedly.
Dad.
Andy has AIDS.
Andy, please don't.
Chloe's
Jackson,
probably
please don't
freaking
post
out.
that. Please don't post that, Jackson.
So hold on. We're gonna put these cups up side to side.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah.
you understand what I'm saying.
He's definitely had margarita before.
You mean I
Hey,
put
look.
margarita in your
Look,
Better
look.
not drink my drink, girl.
Look. See the difference in the cups?
Oh, Lena, that made the. That's what my margarita's been missing the whole time, Lena.
That was my cup. That was his cup.
I'm good, dude.
what about it?
So this cup is
We mixed up the
thinner
cups.
and barely
Dad, hold
longer.
on, look, watch
And
this.
that cup is.
So I took Jason's
got
cup
some more
and
girth.
gave Andrew the margarita. Like,
There might be a little margarita for you.
you guys.
So you just said.
Tastes like
That's why I said you guys. That's why. You guys are missing that. Oh, you can see over here, Lena. You could get yourself in your tippy
I
toe.
can see. I can see the flashes in the sky.
Olivia,
See
this
the
is the
fireworks
princess.
last light.
Come here.
all you do is get out and get my chicken.
Come here. Get right here.
Princess.
This is the princess. Get up here. Over there. You see over here? That's the princess, and this is Westworld.
Oh, there's two of them going on.
Yeah.
1 second. Remember how pretty they were last year?
You can
Remember
hear
we
it.
sat by the lake at the Princess?
Yep, that's enough. Back in the water. Yeah, too cold.
Cold? Really?
Going in.
Oh, not in the water, it's not.
I can imagine.
I'm going to get back in the pool. I'm
She's
cold.
over.
Or put a towel on, too.
No.
You want to get over there, sweet?
Little water wrap.
Watch it, Buzzy.
Yes, good.
You don't have to worry about your hair.
Me?
No.
Much nicer.
I mean, you too.
And then I can hear
Chihuahuas would like lose their shit.
Oh, Chloe's way out right now. She'll be high medication. I have to buy her like these hemp gummy or these hemp like
Calm her down.
things. Oh, she
But I can
thunder,
hear the
lightning,
JWs
anything.
too.
Such
These guys don't give a shit.
Mm-mm.
However, they hear the Ring camera doorbell thing on your phone or something, they'll lose their
I'm
minds.
surprised the dogs aren't freaking out actually. Oh, Chloe's.
And she has an anxiety breath. It's the worst too.
Chip, what's up?
What's the matter, Chippy?
They probably don't know what it is. That's why.
I like bigger dogs.
That's
No,
why
it's
they're
careful,
not afraid.
honey. There's a bunch of stuff right here. Finish up right here.
That's a
No
good
one-
show.
Yeah.
Way out there.
Is it
I
open?
can hear the JWs now.